Alright guys, Anthony David is my name, aka Chidav, and we are just evaluating the field and yams planted in sack. So like at the moment they are ready for harvest. So I'm just going to take care all around and then show you the quality of the yams you got, because a whole lot of persons have really been wondering that, okay, what are the sizes of yam we are going to be getting. So I'm going to be showing you all, and so that you can believe the process and know this is the new way to go for cultivating of yam. Okay, peace guys. Right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the field after 6 months, and yes, the field is ready. In fact, we can literally harvest right now, and they are ready for harvesting. But the only reason why we may not harvest now is just we would want to hold on a bit until the yam is a bit scarce in the market, okay, before. And that is one of the advantages of having your yams in sack, okay, because the ease of harvesting, you don't need so many hefty men with their muscles and biceps digging the ground to get your yams or tubers of yam out. But with this right here, we can literally just tear up the sack. As you can see, the sacks are, why we use this kind of sack is because they are biodegradable. As you can see, most of the sacks are torn. This is the sack we recommend, so that you can, if you need to use this very land for something else, you can easily do that, and then you are good to go. So guys, I'm just going to be showing you all clips of results of the tubers that we are going to be expecting. All right, look at what we have here, guys. So we're already having 2 massive tubers. This is one, and then there's another guy inside, also growing. Paying close attention. Alright, so I believe you can see this very well. So these are very quality sizes. Also checking out another random sack. As you can see right here, this guy looks good to go. It is really huge, as you can see, and from the look of the leaves you can literally tell that this guy is ready for harvesting. So moving on to another sack. Okay, yes, so let's look at this guy and then let's see what we have here. Okay, all right, I hope you can see. Okay, can you see it here? Good. So it's there, and it is huge. It is huge, and we can't leave it open, so we'll have to cover it because we're getting them out of the sack right now. So let's check out this very sack also and see what we've got. Let's see what we've got here. Good. All right, so hope you can see that. So we need to cover at this point. Okay, so we've got something here. Okay, just taking a look at it. Oh wow, can you see this guy literally got out of the sack, and we are definitely going to check out what we got here. Okay, yes, it went right into the soil. The head looks as if it's a bit small, but then it kind of went wide going down into the sack, as we can see here. Yes, and the reason for that is because the top was exposed to the sun, and that is why the head looks a bit small, but then going down it became kind of big. Okay, so what do we have here? I believe you are paying attention. To what we have. Okay, let's check out this guy. Yes, I'm feeling something huge. Yeah. So looking at this guy, you can literally tell that it is still growing, but already it is good for the market. This is stable size yam, as you can see. This is stable size yam, but because it's still growing, we are going to leave it out. This is another one, as you can see. This guy is good. That is the tuber of the yam, so we need to cover that too. Wow. So look at what we have here. This guy is literally branched out from the main tuber, and we can't even tell the exact tuber from what we just saw. So we have another one here. Okay, so wow, I'm going to call this guy Odobu. As you can see, this very size of yam can literally go for over 2k in the Lagos yam market. I know what I'm saying. Alright guys, so I really want you to check out what we have here. I need you to check out what we have here. This is another very massive tuber. As you can see, the sack is done already, but look at what we have here. This guy came out from the sack and then it went directly into the soil. So I'm going to be showing you the next tuber after this now. You can literally tell the length of this particular tuber, and as you can see, this guy is still growing because of the pale color the tuber has, and it is quite lengthy. Just take a look at it. Yes. I would also love to call your attention to a few challenges you'll be faced with as a sack farmer. One of the major challenges, one of it is the eating of your tubers by rodent, as you can see right here. This is a major challenge on the field, and then the next is the wearing and then the tearing of the sacks, which is totally normal because you are not expected to use a polythene bag on the field, but you're expected to use a biodegradable material, and that is why we recommend this particular sack. So how then do we prevent the wearing and the tearing of the sack? The truth is you can't prevent the wearing and the tearing of the sack. It is normal because they are biodegradable materials. But what you should do is you ensure that you carry out a weekly evaluation of the field and ensure that any tuber that is exposed is properly covered, as we are doing right now. The tubers are properly covered, and ensure that they are not exposed so that they are not attacked by rodents. And also for the sacks, they are normal. It is normal for them to tear because we do not want to pollute the environment by using a polythene bag that might really not tear during the course of the production, but then that is not environmentally friendly and we do not recommend the use. So in ensuring you get very good tubers or quality result at the end of the day, there are certain factors that has to be at the optimum. The first is you must get a proper sack. The second is you have to ensure that the soil you are using has a good nutrient level, and then the management of the field has to be top notch. So we've been able to check out the field and we are very happy with the results we got. So all we need to do is we have to hold on a little bit, and at least towards when yam is not going to be as available as it is right now, so that we can make sell it at very, 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 very awesome prices. But then no doubt it's a due way for a couple of persons who have really been wanting to see the results when harvesting yet, but then we'll be able to at least show you at least what the tubers look like and then the results you can possibly get from cultivating your yams and sacks. So it is the way to go, and I know you all are really going to be so super motivated to go into cultivating yams and sacks. So guys, please, if this is your first time, you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I need you to punch on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and do well to like this video. Peace guys.